Hi, second graders. Today is Friday, January 22nd, 2021. We have a new card that we flipped over yesterday to reveal a new graph, and card is right here. I noticed that there are some basketball hoops and some computers. I also noticed some other things about the graph. So I want you to think about maybe what the title is and what really important thing is on this graph that you have to make sure to look at. We haven't had one of these yet on the other cards. So what is on this card that's really important to make note of? You get it? All right, I see this right here, which is our key. And our key tells us how much each picture is worth. So I see that one basketball hoop or one computer equals 2 students. So that is so important to keep in mind when we're looking at the data, because if we don't know that, we're not going to get the right answer. So here we have all the people who chose gym, and here we have all the people who chose computer lab. I also notice that for the people who chose gym, I see half of a basketball hoop. So I'm thinking that if there's half a basketball hoop, that means that stands for one person. So let's count by 2s, and then when we get here, we'll just know to add on 1. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15 people chose gym. Okay, that's our first number in our fact family. All right, here's our computer lab. Again, we're going to count by 2s because remember, each picture stands for 2 students. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So 14 students chose computer lab, and that's the second number in our fact family. Now remember, to figure out that third number, we have to add those together. So 15 plus 14. I'm wondering what strategy you're going to use to figure that out. I'm going to give you 1 second. What is 15 plus 14? Maybe you're counting the pictures. Maybe you know that one group of 10 plus one group of 10 is 20, and then 5 plus 4 is 9, so 29. Maybe you're using a doubles fact. Maybe you know that 14 plus 14 is 28, plus 1 is 29. Maybe you know that 15 plus 15 equals 30 minus 1 is 29. I'm wondering how you figured that out. I think that the title of this graph could be Favorite Special, right? We have gym at school and we have computer lab at school, so maybe that's the title. All right, so the 3 numbers in our fact family are 15, 14, and 29. Take a moment to see if you can figure out what the next 3 number sentences are going to be for this. Now remember, the last card that we've had the last 2 weeks in a row have been a little wonky. So I'm wondering if this is going to stay the same or if it's going to change altogether. We'll have to see. Only time will tell. Now today for math, you're going to learn a new workplace game, and the directions for that are below. And after you've played the workplace game, you can make a choice on the choice board. But I have to say, in this big red box right here, I have had the diagnostic test on Study Island assigned for 2 days now, 2 full days. And there are still 4 online friends who have not done it. So Keith and Connor and Philip and Ashlyn, I have not seen anything on the math diagnostic test. So if you are still confused, I encourage you to go get a grown-up in your house and to have them watch Wednesday's directions for how to do that. And please, that needs to be completed before any other choice is done. All right, everyone else, go to slide number 2 and learn how to play the workplace game and then make a Friday choice. All right, see you on Monday.